You'll notice that I have a sail with the cable run, a socket wrench, and a commercial bracket. The entire usable range of the threaded rod has been greased in preparation for this install. I'll remove the nuts that have been mostly loosened, so you don't have to watch me unthread them. I'll remove the top plate of the bracket and set it aside. I'll then remove the mid plate. I'll slide the bottom plate beneath the sail, and with the bolt holes lined up, press it into place. The mid plate is added next, and then the fabric tab. The top plate with the washers in place can then be added to the assembly. The nuts can then be re-added. I'll start by hand tightening, knowing that I'll come back to tighten them with a socket wrench. You could also use an impact driver. Either way, you want to make certain these are very tight and don't have the possibility of coming loose. It's much easier to do this on the ground than from the top of a ladder after your sail is hung. With the bolts tightened, this commercial bracket is ready to attach to your anchor point.